Sunday, 14th of January 2024. Felt like crap in the morning. Jesus, like a bear with a sore head. Sluggish, slow, gross. Bunnings run, set up a little raised garden container with some tomatoes, some greens and some herbs. Fingers crossed this grows all right. Put reflective tape and fake owls up on the balcony to keep birds from sitting out there. Didn't work at all, bastards. That Bell and Sebastian album is really insisting itself upon me again lately. I've said it before, but it's so bloody good. More walking around and daydreaming in the afternoon, looking at water at the beach, chilling out. Telling myself to just be patient while I'm in a bit of an unproductive rut and trust that my Midi-chlorians will return and I'll get back to having energy for doing more interesting things than just working, gardening and walking to the beach. Nice skies this evening, mood 6, energy 6, moods tired, fine. Grateful, gardening. I feel like I'm close to having at least a couple of plants growing reliably in the garden that I will be able to harvest and eat from soon.